Hi, I'm Ronan Mock, and my video project was on the 2017 Hurricane Harvey flooding. When and where? It started as a westward moving tropical wave from Africa, crossing the eastern Atlantic Ocean towards the U.S. Hurricane Harvey began forming on August 12th of 2017 and lasted until September 2nd of 2017. It occurred during hurricane season, which takes place from June to November every year. It made landfall over south central Texas coast on August 25th, 2017. It also affected parts of Louisiana, but Texas is the main focus of the flooding for this video. Weather patterns and cause. The flooding was caused by precipitation from Hurricane Harvey. Due to warm ocean currents shedding a ring of heated water into the Gulf of Mexico, Hurricane Harvey used the heat from the ocean water as a fuel source. The Gulf of Mexico was unusually warm in 2017. It was about 2 degrees Celsius warmer than it usually is. Some characteristics of Hurricane Harvey included 130 mile-per-hour winds, torrential downpour, and a major storm surge turning some coastal areas into swamps. Magnitude of flood. About 27 trillion gallons of rain were poured over Texas in the span of about 4 to 5 days. Some areas received over 50 inches of rain. Thousands of square miles of land experienced flooding, and about 450 miles of land were submerged in Texas. Effects of climate change. There are about 5 days a year Texas is flooded due to hurricanes. The frequency and magnitude of these floods should increase as climate change increases the water temp in the Gulf of Mexico. Heat from the warm water fuels the hurricanes, as I already said. The warming of the atmosphere also allows more water vapor to be present in the atmosphere, which hurricanes can use in the form of precipitation. Human impact aids in speeding up the process of climate change. Societal impact. The floods affected about 13 million people. About 135,000 homes were destroyed. About 1 million cars were damaged or totaled. Hurricane Harvey and its floods were responsible for a total recorded death toll of 88 people. Economical impact. Businesses closed down and some never reopened. People lost their jobs. It caused the local economy to become almost completely wrecked. Production and export of crops in Texas also dramatically decreased due to crop destruction. Mitigation and adaptive strategies. A new flood plan was developed by Texas Water Development Board after Hurricane Harvey. Coast Guard prepares with emergency rescue plans and sandbags for hurricanes. Texas has looked to the Dutch and their techniques to help them stop future major floodings. The Dutch use sand dunes as coastal barriers, and Texas plans to develop a coastal barrier system involving the use of levees. No real improvement has actually occurred in new regulations or infrastructure in Texas. Fun facts. There was so much precipitation from Hurricane Harvey that the National Weather Service had to update the colors it uses on its weather charts to properly account for it. The highest area of precipitation occurred in Nederland, Texas, with 60.5 inches of rainfall. Hurricane Harvey was the wettest Atlantic hurricane ever measured. Works cited.